An international airport. Countless planes take off and land here every day. Normal operations are very busy, with an aircraft taking off or landing within minutes of one another. By the airport, there are not only planes in the air. They share airspace with natural residents, birds. The problem? Birds do not follow the air traffic controller's instructions. They may cross flight corridors. Aircraft could collide with the birds or even crash. The Zeiss Mivotherm system allows us to lower the risk of bird strikes without putting unnecessary restrictions on airport operations. Mivotherm can precisely predict impending collisions between aircraft and flocks of birds. How is that possible? Certain bird species make regular flights between their roosts and feeding grounds. These birds and others are often guided by natural landmarks, such as rivers, valleys, or coastlines. An ornithological behavior analysis by Barter Concept has shown that these birds mainly fly with constant velocity at the same height. These flight patterns and the situation on site can be used to predict an impending collision. At this airport, the Mivotherm system monitors relevant altitudes to the left and right of the flight corridor at distances of a few kilometers along a river route. When a flock of birds is identified, the system predicts if and when the flock will cross the flight corridor. Mivotherm predicts a possible collision several minutes in advance. The prediction is accurate to within seconds. The overall automatic system is made up of 2 monitoring units. Depending on the area monitored, each unit contains 1 or 2 self-calibrating stereo thermal imaging camera systems. Thermal imaging technology means the system can be used in any weather conditions with reliable results day or night. Passing flocks of birds are identified and tracked using digital image processing. The system calculates their flight path, speed, and altitude in real time. It delivers data on the size and number of the birds and, crucially, flock expansion. This is important as a large flock could strike all the plane's engines at once, posing a major risk. From this data, the hazard potential of flocks of birds is calculated and shown on a graphically displayed timeline. The display shows the time the flock will enter the flight corridor, the flock's hazard level, its size and flight direction. Using this information, air traffic controllers can delay takeoff clearance on the runways or adjust the landing sequence to minimize the risk of a bird strike. The Zeiss Mivotherm system ensures airport takeoffs and landings run smoothly, making flying safer, even for birds.